Welcome back to AutoMaster, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV, a revolutionary take on one of America's most beloved trucks, now fully electrified. The Silverado EV is Chevrolet's bold step into the future, combining rugged capability with zero-emissions driving. Designed from the ground up as an electric truck, it's built on GM's Ultium platform, offering a fresh take on what a full-size pickup can be. On the outside, the 2025 Silverado EV looks futuristic yet familiar. It features a sculpted, aerodynamic design that's a significant departure from the traditional Silverado, with sleek LED lighting, a bold front fascia, and a flowing silhouette that screams innovation. Its aggressive stance and muscular lines show that even in the electric era, Silverado hasn't lost its tough personality. Unique features like the available multi-flex midgate, which extends the bed into the cab for extra cargo space, push practicality to a whole new level. Chevrolet packed the Silverado EV with technology and innovation. You get an available 17-inch freeform infotainment screen, an 11-inch driver display, and GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology. The truck offers a massive estimated 450 miles of range on a full charge, making it one of the longest-range EV trucks on the market. Dual-motor all-wheel drive delivers up to 754 horsepower and 785 lb-ft of torque in the RST First Edition, propelling it from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, numbers unheard of for a full-size truck. Pricing for the Silverado EV starts around $52,000 for the work truck model, while the loaded RST First Edition climbs above $96,000, targeting premium buyers who want it all. What truly sets the Silverado EV apart is its combination of everyday utility, cutting-edge technology, incredible performance, and an electric range that can handle real-world truck duties without compromise. Thanks for tuning in to AutoMaster. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting reviews, and let us know in the comments, is the Silverado EV the future of trucks? See you in the next video.